of things, knowing programming with math, and CS majors will tell you most of it is math, and you have to take very hard math courses. So
to be a computer scientist, you do
yes.
have to know math. To be a technologist, you don't have
right.
to know math.
But so, you know, in a lot of high school classes, you could incorporate kind of programming skills into physics as well.
Yeah, so, and I would agree with you. I don't really mean to say I have 12 classes I'm going to require every single high school student to take just because they're in my field. And so it's okay. They might just take 2 or 3, and they still might have a chemistry class that's kind of took half the chemistry class away and added a gentle computer class to it. The big picture has to do with the fact that let's imagine what's possible to teach a 13 to 17 year old student, and teach them stuff they retain rather than filtering them.
Okay, hi, I'm Katya, and yeah, I took both classes, and they were great, so thank you for teaching them.
Hello, my name is Karl-Heinz. I'm a web architect and learn some more stuff.
Cool.
I am Savi, and I'm doing PhD at McGill, and I'm planning to go for the
PhD at McGill, what?
Natural resources,
Wow.
renewable resources. So that's why I'm here to learn, because I'll be using the softwares, like the soil water assessment tools, and I'll be using Python for that.
Cool. I met one of the smartest people I ever met, computer scientist from McGill.
Hi, I'm Brenny, and I'm enjoying the Python course.
Hi, I'm Jean-Baptiste. I'm a visual effect artist, and thank you, Dr. Check, for helping me get a better artist in knowing Python.
Sure thing.
Hi, I'm Iqbal. I recently incorporated a tech company here in Montreal, and Python, the lessons have been fantastic, and I'll be taking it again in summer. Thanks a bunch.
Yeah, I am Andres. I am very happy to learn Python from Chuck. It's very interesting person.
Thanks.
Hi, I'm Sergio. I'm an aviation analyst at ICAO, and I'm just I feel wonderful about Python. It's completely opened some gates for me. So
great.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tim Akshurin, and I'm taking Python for informatics, and thank you for Chuck for this great experience.
Hi, my name is Olga. This is my first course with Coursera, and I'm really happy, and I hope it helped me find a job.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Steve. I'm taking both the History of Internet and the Python course, and I'm having a great time with both of them.
Hi, I'm Nancy, and thank you, Dr. Check, on behalf of the LA chapter of Women Who Code.
And I'm Flora Montufar, and I'm learning Python. The second, well, it's really the first language that I learn seriously, and I'm really enjoying it. And I'm really enjoying how you've set up the class. It's really, really helpful.
It's great to have you in the class.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Joanna, and I'm taking the Python course. It's my first language, and it's been great.
Hi, I'm Ramona, and I'm taking the Internet History course, and I plan to take the Python course in summer.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Pierre. I've done the Python course, and I want to proceed on with other Coursera courses.
My name is Matt. I'm an IT administrator. I've been learning Python for a couple of years now, and it's really helped in everything I do. So thanks, Dr. Chuck.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Habib, and I'm taking Python with Dr. Chuck.
Hi, I'm Dominda. I'm a student at McGill University, so I'm a beginner. So it was really interesting to me today.
Great. We had so many people at office hours that the management came and kicked us out of the lobby and forced us to have this room where we had to buy hors d'oeuvres. So signing off from another successful office hours, this time from Montreal. Cheers.